Welcome to our year-long recap of 2022. This was a year of meeting a lot of friends on the road. Community is everything when you're a full-time RVer, and we definitely found our community. We started our year at one of our favorite resorts, Camp Margaritaville in Auburndale, Florida. It was a great location. We were able to bounce back and forth to it when we couldn't find reservations anywhere else. After celebrating our first Nomadversary, we finally started making some much needed renovations to our rig. We started out with a small bookshelf for the kids and building Hunter a crib. It then grew to wallpapering, installing a dishwasher, and upgrading our suspension. With all the upgrades and the highs of RVing, it also comes with all the lows, like having to rebuild 2 walls, reframe our bed, replace 2 slide motors, jack failures, and a flat tire on the truck. Thankfully, Colin is pretty handy, and with the help of friends and family, we got everything repaired.
We were driving down the road and the microwave popped open. Now I found the tray on the ground, shattered in pieces. So now I get to clean up glass before the kids can come in. And to top it all off, the floor is torn there.
2022 was supposed to be the year in the Pacific Northwest, but with Yellowstone flooding, we decided to take a different route and explore our home state of Colorado. We zigzagged our way around, which allowed grandparents and our siblings to come and visit. We stayed in 16 different states. Most were a first-time visit for us in the RV. This allowed us to go to weddings, hike mini waterfalls, attend graduations, boondock with friends, and stay at 15 different harvest hosts. We were able to visit Rocky Mountain National Park, Black Canyon of Gunnison, Mesa Verde, the Great Sand Dunes, Arches, Colorado National Monument, Yellowstone, Glacier, Great Basin National Park, and Dinosaur National Monument on our travel. Lily's favorite part of the year was meeting all her new friends, and she also got her first haircut while visiting family in Texas. She finished preschool and started kindergarten. Hunter also got his first haircut in Texas at the same time as Lily. He has really grown this year and has become super independent.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you. You guys living the life in the swing.
Starlink has made it a game changer for working on the road. We were able to order before the RV edition came out. We haven't regretted it and thoroughly enjoy the new freedom of being anywhere and we can still work. We have knocked off some of our bucket list items, like visiting Glacier, Yellowstone, and finding amazing new stops like Leavenworth, Washington. We love giving the kids a passion to explore and try new things. It is also fun when friends and family find us on the road and come to visit, especially when it results in some much needed date time. We attended our very first Grand Design Rally in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and attended 2 full-time family rallies where we made some lifelong friends. We have ended the year down in Baja Mexico for 2 months. We're working on a Baja Mini Series for you to enjoy, and should be out next week. We hope you enjoyed our year recap and hope you have a safe and happy new year. See you next week.